In this video, we'll show you how to check sensor health using the WatchGas device link application. To begin, open the application and navigate to the maintenance section. Turn on the NFC on your SST device and tap it so that the WatchGas device link app can download the maintenance data. Here, you can view important information about the device's sensor performance. A 5-star rating means the sensor performance is healthy. A 4.5-star rating means the sensor performance is good. A 3.5-star rating indicates the sensor is matching factory values. 2 stars or fewer means the sensor performance indicates the sensor's output is reduced to 50% of factory values, still fully functional, but should be flagged as potential sensor replacement in the near future to avoid unplanned business interruptions. This is application specific. Note, once a sensor fails calibration, it then needs to be replaced. To ensure good preventive maintenance, WatchGas recommends to replace sensors at minimum 1 star. Refer to the Replacing a Sensor or Sensor Filter section for step-by-step instructions. Regularly monitoring sensor health ensures reliable performance and safety.